Hi guys, what's up? Good morning. Time check. Time now is yung totoong oras.
I don't know. It's just like 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
And we're already preparing. I woke up at 4:20.
So ito na nga, nandiyan yung lahat ng bags namin. And pupunta na kami ng airport. So let's go.
Hey, what's up guys? Nasa parking plane na tayo.
Yeah. Hey guys, some people requested na gusto raw nila ako mag-Tagalog. Kasi, bakit hindi? At yun na, arriving na tayo. Kapapark lang natin. Arrived at the airport. I'm excited. Took my earphones off because the gadgets are not allowed here. We're right here, and we're self-checking in, as you can see. Okay. I don't know why I'm panting, but I'm probably just nervous because it's my first time in the aircraft. Okay, we're walking in. It's so beautiful out here. Look at that. Look at
Back and I'm with my brother.
yeah, we're boarding the plane, boys.
Currently boarding the plane together with my family.
Yay!
Look.
Woo! Okay,
So we'll be right back.
yeah.
Puerto Princesa International Airport. On behalf of your flight crew, Captain Regalado and First Officer Pamundra, and your cabin team, I just want to thank you for making Cebu Pacific Air an airline of choice.
Hey, what's up, guys? We landed, and one thing for sure, make sure that you're not always dizzy, because if you are, you're dead meat if you land. We had a rough landing, so you better buckle up. And anyway, this is the plane. Cebu Pacific Air here. Not sponsored, by the way. It was a great flight. They made games and other stuff. And now we're on our way. There's just a couple of foreigners here. We're departing. We're departing, everyone. See you at the Palawan.
Mamaya pang 2 o'clock kami check-in. Kakain muna kami. You have something to say? No. What's up guys? Ngayon, katatapos lang namin kumain. And with my brother, I got a question for him. So how was the chicken you ate for lunch?
Oh, what we ate for lunch? Yeah. It's good.
Wait,
It's actually
by
really
the
good.
way, dito kami kumain.
Yeah, it's called Heinz Chicken.
We chose to eat here because parang authentic dahil wala ka naman makikitang ganito sa Manila. So, you might as well try.
So, ang opinion ko dito ay masarap siya. Yung chicken may kakaibang lasa. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang chicken. Diba, bro?
Yeah, I like the taste. Medyo sweet.
Oo, yun. Kasi most chickens kasi medyo salty. Dalawa nga lang kasi yung choices eh. Original or spicy.
Usually dito sa Pilipinas, pero sa worldwide Asia, there's a lot of chicken. Pero so far, nagustuhan namin yung Heinz chicken. So if you give it the chance to choose, we will choose Magdasal chicken or chicken from Heinz chicken. Yeah, it is a tough question, I know, but you would get. But we might disrespect other companies. Okay, you can just whisper it or tell me. Oh, okay, I respect that. Okay, so give it a chance to the other ones who is watching your video. Would you recommend this restaurant pag pumunta sa Balawan? Yes, I would truly recommend it for ano authentic taste or ano.
O'clock meron kaming tour. We'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
Babalik lang kami sa hotel, then ipipick upin kami ng van. So, bye.
Stay tuned for that, boys.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. And ito na muna nating activity for today, which is the city tour. I'm with my brother. Still playing.
Boy, why you look like that, man?
This is my getup.
Stylish.
So, inaantay natin yung makasama natin na sobrang tagal. So, magme-make a tutorial na tayo. Guys, hello, nandito tayo ngayon sa Plaza Cartel. Makikita nyo, ito yung first area na binisita namin. Puro history dyan. And meron kami pinuntahan na church, which is right over there. Kung nakikita nyo, at natatakpa siya ng mga puno. So, ito na, second destination.
We're on a tour and we're in the souvenir shops. We've already been to 2 places, but next up is Crocodile Farm. But welcome to Jurassic Park, Joe.
So what we have Stress Ranch. Together with my brother. And look at this, it's so cold in here. It's like a mini Tagaytay in Palawan. So there's a zip line there. And there's a lot of stray horse there. I just don't know how to deal with them. Wait, what? What? Say hi.
Hi, I'm so tired. Lagi ko po magkakaroon ko ha.
Saan yung zip? Ayun o. We'll be right back. Mini Tagaytay daw yung Palawan. Ayun, taal. Joke lang. Hey, what's up guys? Nandito na kami ngayon sa Bakersfield. Ang last stop for
Oh my God! Wow!
for today sa city tour. So, I'm here with my brother and siya naman ngayon na mag-iigat sa inyo dahil mahilig siya maglakad. Papakita niya sa inyo yung mga things like this.
Puro mga hugot po.
Boom! Parang NBA.
Okay po. So, ito naman yung ikatlo. Sana kung gaano mo kabilis napasok ang buhay ko, gaanoon din kabilis mabubura ka sa puso at isipan ko. Para naman siyang heartbroken. Masakit isipin na dahil sa isang pangyayari, hindi na kayo pwedeng maging tulad ng dati. So sad naman guys. Ang tunay na lalaki nagbabago para sa babae, hindi nagpabago-bago ng babae. Boom! Okay, fourth, last one ko na to. Sa relasyon kapag konti lang ang nakakalam, konti lang din ang nakikilam. Wow! Oh my gosh, there's actually Disney characters here. I don't know whom, but it's this Disney. Look at that! It's actually beautiful. Look at this. So greatly trimmed. Maraming hugot pa. Di ba kayo nagsasawa sa hugot? Sad will never leave us. Okay. I'll catch you guys later back in the hotel. So, soup. Gotta go.
Hey, what's up guys? Tapos na ang first day. Pahinga na kami. Tingnan natin yung labas. Ano ba?
So you can see our balcony from here, overlooking to a swimming pool. Sino yung mga kapitbahay natin na nakikinig na naman? At lahat na nakikita niya sa sa labas niya. So ayun, and the first day, bukas gigising kami ng maaga for the second day. For ano ba ang natin bukas? Underground TV tour with train launch and so feeling na mas maaga gumising kasi may breakfast.
Pasok kami sa malaking room na nakuha namin. 2 bunk beds, 3 queen size beds, and dito na kami kumakain. Opo. Ay, akit kayo? I'll be right back, boy.